Today I wanted to share with you a quick TextExpander script that will display your Mac details. And by details, I mean this little piece of text here that can come in handy sometimes. This is the abbreviation for it, but obviously it's not working by just pasting it. So I'm going to type it in. It gives you the macOS version, the license agreement, High Sierra, and the serial number or code number. So it might come in handy when you are looking for what version of Mac software you have. So to create this snippet, let me delete this and open TextExpander. And here's the snippet. So I can copy this right here just to show you how it was created. And then let's create it again. I'm gonna create a new snippet and make it shell script in the content menu. Paste it, the script, and give it a label. So let's say it's Mac OS version. And let's call it the abbreviation Mac OS. Okay. Now, let's try the new snippet that we just created. There you have it. It's just a quick little shell script that I will have in the description, so you can use it in your TextExpander snippets. Alright. Thanks guys. Talk to you guys soon. Comment, subscribe, and like this video if you want more of these automation type videos. Alright guys, thanks.